Hi, I'm Joanne, one of the co-founders of Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe's a no-rinse hair wash. It's a lightweight foam that you put in your hair post-workout. It's an amazing product that works really well when you use it the right way. We get lots of questions on how to use a product. Fortunately, it's good for all hair types, but I'm here to show you how to use it on fine hair. Here's the trick. You don't want to start at the top of your head. If you do that with fine hair, it'll be too heavy and you won't like the product. And we want you to like our product. You want to take about 2 to 3 pumps of our lightweight foam and you want to put it where you sweat the most. Where do you sweat the most? I know where I do. It's underneath, on the sides. I really get in there with the product. The green tea and chamomile will really soothe your scalp. And whatever's left over, I'll take and put on the top of my head on the root. And then I really love to blow dry through and style my hair. So you get the idea. And then I'll take the curling iron sometimes and do little beach waves. And while I'm running around during the day and I want to freshen up my hair, I put more back in. I put it into my beach waves, pump a couple pumps, go right in the back, give myself some, sexy hair. And not only does it work really great with sweat after you work out, it's also a great refresher throughout the day. So, and please DM us if you have any other questions. We'd love to make some more videos for you. So not only does it work really great with sweat after you work out, it's also a great refresher throughout the day. So, and please DM us if you have any other questions. We'd love to make some more videos for you.